Hi guys, on today's video I'm going to show you how to restore your plastic bumpers and your plastic trim. As you can see on our van, this one's pretty knackered and so is the bumper. So what happens is, as people are using these vans commercially or just in general, they get scuffed and scraped and dirt all over them, and then the UV from the sun also fades them. So I'm going to show you how to restore them. And we've been sent an exciting product from Duel Auto Care, which is going to help us restore the bumper. So let's get this open. So we've got lots of polystyrene. Whoa, it's like Toy Story. Yay! We've got two exciting products in here today. So we have got the toxic iron fallout remover, which is for the alloys on the other van, so I'll try it in another video. But the one for this video, we have got the Duel Auto Care Profile Tire and Trim Dressing. So this is for your tyres and for your trim. So hopefully this will be really good, and we're going to try this out today. It should restore our bumpers nice and neatly. So the first step we've got to do is obviously clean up all the areas. So we're going to get some hot soapy water and a brush and a cloth, clean them all up, and once it's all clean, we can then apply this and see how good it is. So let's get to it. Right guys, so to clean the bumpers, all you're going to need is a cleaning agent. I've just got car shampoo here, which works pretty good. Mix this with warm water and then a brush and a cloth as well. And then you can get all the dirt and grime off, and that's as easy as it is.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found. But you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a...
So the harder stains, guys, I'm just going to use a bit of white spirit, try and get a bit of paint residue off, and then I'll wash it again.
That's why I gave you everything, held you close by.
Look at that, taking it straight off. So again guys, those harder stains, a bit of paint here, just going to use a bit of white spirit to hopefully get that off. Again, this would work better if you had a proper cloth, but I don't want to wreck a cloth, so I'm just using a bit of kitchen roll. You can see how well that's worked. Proper cleaned it up. There's obviously a bit of residue, but I'll wipe that off when I clean it again.
Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares through. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home is just you and me. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything.
Right, let's get nice and low into the camera's focus. So as you can see, I've been struggling to get this white paint off, so I'm going to try sanding it down. So that we've now used the white spirit on all the plastics, I'm just going to do a final wash to get any residue of the white spirit off.
No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas, oh, you meant the world to me.
So I've cleaned up the bumpers and the plastic trim and it looks a million times better. So now I'm going to apply the Duel Auto Care Profile and see how good it is. Let's hopefully restore this plastic. I'm not sure how much to use, so just a little blob for now. Yeah, I think I need a bit more than that. Put that on there like that. Oh, a bit blowy. Even though I've just done the Duel Auto Care, it does look quite good, but I'm not quite happy with it, and I do want it to be black, so I'm just going to back to black this as well. We've applied the Duel Auto Care profile to the other plastics and it looks great, but this is now black. So we're going to use some black trim wax to restore it back to its beauty. Now I've left the back to black for a few minutes, it's just time to buff it off and get it back to its good old shine. So there you go guys, that's the bumper and the plastics restored. They look absolutely amazing, so I hope this video has helped you out to restore yours. It's really easy to do and really simple. Thanks to Duel Auto Care for amazing products, so that's really helped out. But yeah, if this video has helped you out, click subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.